Good morning. Today we're going to talk a little bit about creating a test with Saunders. We have a new edition, the 7th edition. If you'll notice on the inside front cover, toward the bottom, it has a silver box that says Silvestri, scratch gently to reveal code. So use a coin, scratch that, and you'll have a number. And we want to go to evolve.elsevier.com Silvestri /comprehensive RN. If you're watching this video on YouTube, let's see a link in the description. If you're on one of our tutor pages, then and you're watching the video, it'll be in the actual page itself. So when we go to this page, we'll come here. Okay, so what we want to do is enroll, or this is if you have a class, if you have a course from an instructor. So we just want to register this now. So we would click here. Then you don't have or we have an access code. So we would click here, and then we would type in the number. Then we would click apply. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll pause the video while we put our number in and then click apply. When you finish that, you want to click redeem and then check out. Then what you want to do is you want to fill out your name, first, last name, email address, confirm it, and enter your password twice. Then if you want to receive promotions or whatever, you would click that and then click continue. So go ahead and fill that out. After you fill that out, you'll come back to this page and I'll ask you to submit your information. Make sure that you agree. Click submit. Okay, so then we're here, so we click get started. Now we're at this page, so we want to enter as an independent self-study and to confirm it. Okay, now we're at this page, and this page will be the one when you log in again. This will be where that you're at. So we just click here. Now on the left side, it has some stuff that you can do before you begin. Make sure you have the flash and whatever. Okay, we're at this page, and we just click continue. Now if you're doing your first test, you can do an assessment. So you would click here. This is a pre-test assessment. This is like before you start studying. So you would click this, then you would click begin. There's about 75 questions, so you want to make sure you have a couple of hours to do it. And when you get finished, what you'll do is you'll get a report that tells you how many questions you got right, the questions you got wrong, and if you're doing an assessment for one of our tutor programs, then that's what you'll want to send to us. Now if we're done with the first assessment, we just want to do another exam, test exam, we come in here. I always like doing the 100 question ones, the categories that you want. So with this exam, I do 100 questions. What I do is the content area. Click the content area. Click select all. You have 100 questions, and you would click begin the session. Okay, so when we tell you to do another assessment test, that's what we want you to do. Do the exam, 100 questions, the content area, and select all, and then begin sessions. During our tutoring, we may say, okay, you need to work on pharmacology. If we were to do that, then to create a pharmacology test, then what we would do is we would say how many questions. Usually we do 25. Content area, pharmacology. Okay. If you've done several tests, you may want to check this box, and that way you only do new questions. Okay. Now if you see this, if you want to drill down a little deeper, we can press this, and then if you're having trouble with cardiovascular meds or endocrine meds or whatever, then you can select just the types of questions that you need. Okay, it's pretty simple. A great tool. If you have any questions using it or sending the results back to us, then of course send us a note. And yeah, good luck. This is the first step for passing that test. Take care, and we'll talk to you later.